What's the meaning of checkered? Checkered. Checkered.
Chequered. Chequered. The word checkered generally refers to a pattern characterized by a repeating sequence of two different colored squares or rectangles. However, checkered can also be used more broadly to describe a situation or event that is marked by a mixture of positive and negative outcomes, successes and failures, or good and bad experiences. In this sense, a person's life, career, or even a sports team's performance can be described as checkered if it is filled with both highs and lows, triumphs and setbacks, or victories and defeats.